Ready to transform your Wix website into a direct line to your customers? Let's dive into sending emails with Wix. First, log into your Wix dashboard once you're in. Look for the Marketing and SEO tab on the left-hand side menu. Click on Email Marketing. This is where all your email campaign needs will be managed. You'll see options to manage existing campaigns and, importantly, to create a new one. For this tutorial, we're focusing on sending a new email. Click on Create Campaign. This will take you to the campaign setup. Wix offers different campaign types. Choose the one that best suits your goal, whether it's a promotion, a newsletter, or a welcome email. Now it's time to choose a template. Wix provides a wide range of professionally designed templates you can use, or you can start from scratch if you prefer. Once you've selected a template, you'll enter the intuitive editor here. You can easily customize everything. Drag and drop text blocks to add your message, insert images to make it visually appealing, and add buttons for calls to action like shop now or learn more. Don't forget to craft a compelling subject line and set your sender name. These are crucial for getting your emails opened. Next, you need to select your audience. You can choose from your existing contact lists or create new ones based on subscriber data. Before sending, always use the preview option to see exactly how your email will look on different devices. You can also choose to send it immediately or schedule it for a later date and time. Once you're satisfied, hit send or confirm your schedule. You've just sent your first email campaign directly from Wix. By leveraging Wix's email marketing tools, you can effectively connect with your audience, drive traffic to your site, and boost your business. Start emailing today.